Hi, I'm Maddie. This is Eliza, and today
Hi.
we're going to be using the slime to make giant bubbles.
Yeah.
And we said, so I will let you listen because you're lucky.
You can get this slime at Target in the craft aisle.
What's it called?
Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue slime. Yeah. It's really satisfying. Listen to that.
Now let's make a huge bubble with cracks.
Okay. Here we go. Let's start it.
Here you go. Your side.
Okay, and I started it.
Whoa, no!
It ripped. Just keep going.
Yeah.
Bring it over to the camera.
That's good.
Close up,
tops.
close up, close up. Hi. Anyways, that's it. Just get the slime at Target. It's really nice. But here is the, before you like fluff it up, this is the actual color. We just fluffed that one up. Look at the comparison. Clear? Unclear.
Once you buy it, you mix the stuff into it.
I would recommend putting the little clear thingies like these.
Oh no, one fell.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.